Shuan,
Anna,
Zati,
Ika, waiting.
GM fish are organisms whose genetic material DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. The aim is to introduce a new trait to fish which does not occur naturally in the species. Zebra fish were the first glowfish available in pet stores. The fluorescent color in glowfish is produced by an inherited fluorescent protein gene.
Now, we will proceed to purpose. First, the glowfish help to protect the environment pollution, and it also helps scientists determine when the waterway is polluted. When the fish become fluorescent, that means the water is polluted.
Glowfish receive their glow from a gene which encodes for the GFP that stands for green fluorescent protein, which originally extracted from a jellyfish that naturally produced this bright green fluorescence. Those genes were micro-injected into zebrafish eggs, and these foreign genes later become a part of the genetic makeup of the injected zebrafish. Thus, the fluorescent color acquired by this transgenic zebrafish can be stably transmitted to all future generations. This technology can also be applied to other ornamental fish species.
Firstly, glowfish are able to detect environmental pollutants and toxins. They will fluoresce in the presence of toxin. Next, glowfish are environmental peaceful, which means that they are safe for the environment and do not cause any harm. Besides, glowfish are easy to reproduce fluorescent offsprings. The introduction of glowfish also helped to step forward in genetic engineering. Furthermore, glowfish help scientists better understand questions in genetic, molecular biology, and vertebrate development. Last but not least, glowfish are helpful in understanding cellular disease as well as cancer and gene therapy. Firstly, glowfish cannot survive in cold water as their habitat is in tropical water. Next, humans are not allowed to consume glowfish as this is a legal action. Besides, Australia, Canada, and Europe ban the marketing of glowfish because many people are worried about the effect of letting the GMO glowfish into the wild. Furthermore, there are some disturbance of genetic information due to the glowfish with interbreed with other fishes. Lastly, glowfish create the risk of exploitations.
Some people think that glowfish has stirred up a lot of controversy with objections and even legal action that it is being sold without government regulation and could cause problems if bred with other fish or released into waterways. If glowfish released into the wild, they would become a disruptive invasive species competing with other fish. They were also interbreeding with fish whose genomes are very similar. Glowfish were easily eaten by predators because of their obvious color. Glowfish do not pose a threat to the environment. It doesn't hurt the fish and had a beneficial effect with its use in ecological studies.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. 谢谢.
감사합니다.
Terima kasih.
Created using Powtoon.